how to block someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can block someone on Instagram, and here is how to go about it. First step, log in into your Instagram account just like I have done here, and then once you've logged in, go to the profile of the account you want to block. All right, just go to the profile of the account that you want to block. For me, this is the person. So once you're on the person's profile page, you'll see details about the person, and all of that. And then once you're on the person's profile page, move to the top right corner where you can see three vertical dots, and then just click on it. Then after clicking on that, a prompt will be displayed by the lowest part of the screen. And here you can see options like report, block, about this account, restrict, etc. Just go ahead and click on block, and then you can see block this person. They won't be able to message you or find your post or wherever. And then if you still want to block them, you can just select, do you want to block them and every other accounts they may create, or just the person, and then click on block, and then just like that, that person will be blocked. It's that simple. And you can also decide to block and report if that's what you want to do. So this is how you can block someone easily on Instagram. And you can also restrict them by clicking on the vertical dot as well and click on restrict. So that is it. Thank you, and have a good time on your Instagram account.